Howdy, ladies and gentlemen. This is Paul, the Redneck Thinker. Thomas Jefferson said, "If you want something you've never had, you must be willing to do something you've never done." Benjamin Franklin said, "Without continual growth and progress, such words as improvement, achievement, and success have no meaning." Basically, get off your duff, get to working. You've got dreams, you've got goals. You've got to do what it takes to get them. Like, subscribe, comment, show what your opinion is. Let me know if you like what you've seen. And I thank you for your support. Howdy, folks. This is Paul, the Redneck Thinker. So, Maui judge ruling bars insurers from going after defendants who agreed to $4 billion wildfire settlement. Okay, so the insurers are wanting to go after the victims of one of the worst wildfires of all time. They had to get a legal ruling to stop the insurers from preventing their payments to these folks. How sad is that? That these insurance companies don't want to pay out for something that was beyond the control of these homeowners. This is idiotic. This is why big businesses, major corporations, are just have no respect given to them because they're constantly pulling this kind of garbage. We're going to look at this because it is sickening. It really is. It is sickening that this is happening. So, coming from the AP, let's go with a quote. "The insurance industry has been unfairly demonized, while those responsible for the fires won't be held accountable," Vincent Rabateau, an attorney representing the insurers, told the judge. "And we're not arguing to be first in line for anything," he said. "It's always been our position that individual plaintiffs should get the lion's share." After the hearing, Rabateau declined to comment on Cahill's ruling and wouldn't say whether they plan to seek review of Cahill's ruling by the Hawaii Supreme Court. Really? They're being unfairly demonized. These folks lost billions. Let me give you some facts here. The 2023 Maui fires ranked among the top 10 deadliest U.S. wildfires on record since 1871 and are the deadliest natural disaster in Hawaii's history, surpassing the deadly tsunami of 1960. 102 confirmed victims in June 2024, with 2 additional people remaining unaccounted for. Federal officials estimated damages at $5.5 billion, with over 2,200 structures destroyed. Hurricane Dora, a Category 4 storm, generated high winds on the islands on August 8th and fueled at least 3 fires on Maui. Lahaina, the former royal capital of Hawaii and a prominent tourist spot, is gone. So they're not wanting to pay out. They're wanting to fight people being able to recover. These people can't even rent homes. The rent there is outrageous. And you're not even wanting them to be able to rebuild at their homes? What is up with that? I mean, this is idiotic. That's the only way to say about that. It is idiotic. Now look, I understand that this can be devastating for the insurance companies on some levels. But at the same time, you said that you would insure these people. These people have insurance. So, your job is to pay out. Too many times we hear about insurance companies not wanting to pay out any money. They're wanting to hold that money so that they can keep their profits for their investors. Which, by the way, didn't start until the 1980s. Before the 1980s, it was about taking care of customers. Now you have these, let's take care of the investors first. No. These folks were devastated. People died. There is no reason that you should be going after individuals that lost everything. This is not capitalism. This is greed. This is stupidity. And I'm sorry, I don't understand why people do this. You can you can yell at me or whatever. You take a read of Wealth of Nations by Adam Smith, and this is not how you behave in a capitalistic environment. This is not how you be a human being to another human being. This is ridiculous and it needs to cease. And I'm going to call you out for it. And I'm glad that this judge ruled the way that he did. And I'm going to continue to call out people like this because there is no reason in the world that people should suffer because you want to keep money. But whatever. Everybody think about this. This is some stupidity right here. Y'all have a good day now. Folks, I just want to say thank you for listening. I want to thank you for taking your time. I want to hear what your comments are about what you think on this topic because your comments are what's important, not necessarily mine. I don't care if you're Republican. I don't care if you're conservative. I don't care if you're liberal. I don't care if you're Democrat. I want to hear your opinion on these topics. I want to thank you yet again for listening to my video. Like, subscribe, and all that other hoopla. This has been Paul, the Redneck Thinker. Y'all have a good day now. Bye.